All right, today we're gonna unbox this 10.5 foot ladder and see what it looks like. So let's take this out of the box here. And then we got it here. Then we need to take it outside and let it up and see how it works. So we have this ladder. Let's see what we can do with it. Unpack that right there and go right here. And it comes with it's a telescopic ladder. And what we want to do is let it up, 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 and go up and up and up. And we can go all the way up to 10 feet. Now, let's see how do you release the locks. So, we have to figure out how to release the locks on this thing. Goes up. Then you release the locks under here somewhere. And we will do that in a little bit. Let's see what we got going on here. Oh, here's the lock release right here. Lock release. You can push these in right here to let it compress back up. So you push these in like so to release. Push these in together. Okay, let's see. Push these in together. And, go like so. And like so. This is going to be interesting. So now we got to take this outside. Okay. Push that down. That down. Push that down. Whoa, 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 whoa. Release the tabs. Release the tabs. Release the tabs. And that is pretty cool. So that's a 10-foot ladder. So now we're going to go up the ladder and check to make sure it can hold my weight. 200 pounds. Looks good. All right, the ladder can take my weight. Now all we need to do is collapse the ladder. Collapse the ladder. Push these buttons in. As you push these buttons in, cause the ladder to collapse. The loud sound. Don't get your finger in there. If you do, you will get them crushed, and you don't want to do that. And there you go with an amazing ladder that can collapse and does great things.